Hey guys, Marion the Barbarian here, and this is what I would like to call a filler episode. It is a head shave. It's one of these that when I don't have enough time to get a face shave in, like this, I'm getting my kids in this weekend. So we're trying to, build some content in case, the kids don't go to sleep till late, and I got a lot of stuff to do. So today we are doing a head shave. We're going to use the razor company, aluminum razor, TRC razor with the Voskhod. Voskhods are double wrapped, which is pretty cool. And we're going to use Laugar of Sweden, Älvdans. And with this one, I'm not even going to open it. I can tell you what it smells like. I can smell it coming off the bowl. It's a very herbaceous, lemony, citrusy scent. I'll put up the scent notes now. But that's what I'm getting from this. And y'all tell me what you think. Like, do you want me to tell you what I think it is and then go look up scent notes and put it in for y'all to look at? Or how would you like that? That way you're kind of getting what I get from it without the scent notes. You can go look the scent notes up on your own. We're going to put the base ingredients up now. This was a gift from Matty Lindholm, pretty sure. I think he sent me this one in the other Laugar. The only place I saw here in the States that carried it was Pasteur's. I ought to send Jason a message at the razor company and be like, hey man, is Laugar not making soaps anymore? Although I see there's a lot of places in the EU that's carrying it, so I'm sure they're still making soaps, and be like, hey, you ought to carry it. Like Pasteur's doesn't have it in stock. There's no place else to get it here in the States. Top of the chain has this soap in stock. And guys, we are using my Shore Shave. I don't know if he still makes brushes. I know he did like duck calls and stuff too. So if you're interested in duck call, go over there and look. I will look up his Etsy store. Guys, the description section below that you can click on has like my affiliate links. It's really a nice lather. Really a hard soap. Like, it's not triple milled. Like, we know it's not triple milled. We know it's not triple milled. And I wouldn't call it a croat, but look at that. That is like decently hard, guys. Like, I mean, seriously, some hard soap. Didn't take much. It's a little like Maddie's soap in the fact that it just takes a lot of water. Little like the Swedish Witch. Takes a lot of water. So we're going to do this the best I can. Normally, this is done completely in the shower by feel. And this is a right around 24 hour since the last head shave. I don't do everyday head shaves. So we're just pretty much going to do one pass. You get plenty of slickness with this soap. And like I said, I don't know if it said, but you can get it at top of the chain if I didn't mention it before. It's $35.99 Canadian at the top of the chain. What that is US dollars, I'll put up right now because I don't know off the top of my head. It's organic. I don't know if it's organic. I think they only use essential oils. You see Johan use this soap quite a bit, or at least you used to. I don't know that I've seen him use it as much lately. We are kind of going against the grain because we are just doing the one. I kind of didn't want to shave the head today. It's got a little irritation at the bottom of the head, at the neck area. That's what we're doing. I'm using the TRC because it's kind of got training wheels like the Henson does. Like, it builds in your angle for you. And I'm not adept at shaving my head with a DE. I'd rather use a straight razor, but this stuff's so short there's no sense in trying to, it'd be hard to take it off with the straight razor, if that makes sense. Straight razor is easier with more growth. Like, if I had 2 more days worth of growth, I'd be like, yeah, let's give the straight razor a go. That way you kind of have some cushion. Look, I mean, plenty of slickness, guys. And we're not going for BBS. Like I said, irritation at the base of the skull and the back, top of the neck, however you want to classify it. Kind of get the hairline area. Believe it or not, I tend to miss the hairline area, like right at the front. It's where I miss places in the shower. I tend to notice when I go back over and feel through. It is easier though to like see where you last were and not have to feel it. But I also like the idea of rinsing my head in the shower and not rinsing it here at the sink, which I may still do when we, you know, we'll be right back after I rinse up. I made alum today just because, like I said, I know I got some irritation at the back, and the masochist in me says, hey, feel the burn of the alum. Punish yourself for the overshaving in the shower. Because that's pretty much what it is. It's punishment. Ooh. There we go. It's pretty close. Add a little bit of water. I mean, I did not use much soap, guys. I mean, I made a ton in this bowl. It's a nice... It's more dense than I would give it credit for normally. Oh, shore shave. This is a mother lode knot. This is a knot you want. It's super just soft, but it has zero backbone. Y'all see? I mean, it's just no backbone. I wouldn't want to face lather with it, I wouldn't think. It takes a while to incorporate all of the soap. We are drinking Blind Pirate, 7.4% alcohol. Well, actually, I'm sorry. This is a Monday Night Brewing Blind Pirate Blood Orange IPA. Don't know anything about the brewery. I am not DK. Oh yeah, I can feel that irritation. When I rinse up in the shower, I may give y'all the luxury of me rubbing the alum all over my head. Whew. No clogging going on, well hydrated. Plenty of slickness, but like I said, right down there at the bottom of the head, you can feel the irritation. But normally in the shower, guys, I use a Gillette. So that's nobody's fault but my own. Alright, y'all know the drill. We're gonna rinse up. We'll be right back. Alright everybody, we're back. We're rinsed up. Feeling good. Gonna wet the head just a little more, because I promised y'all some anguish. Definitely gonna feel it when we get to the back of the head. But I was feeling it, and I don't really think I need to touch up. It's not the closest, but nothing feels like anything's longer than anything else. It's just, it's smooth all one direction and not the other. So it's pretty much the way it needs to be. Whoo-hoo, that neck. That's what's getting me. Alright, guys. Whew. Splash time. Do we know what splash time it is? It is Hazelet's Apothecary SoCo Sun. Ooh, crap, I forget I need to cover it up more than that. Oh well. There we go. Witch hazel. The scent does not hang around long at all. Put way too much on top of the head, but is what it is. Is what it is. Alright guys, we will review Laugar of Sweden. I I don't know how much it's going to translate. It's 125 grams, so that's over 4 ounces, right, of soap. But it's really firm. I feel like it would last longer, almost like MDC kind of firm. Not that firm, but almost that firm. So I would say if you're spending around 25, 26, it's probably going to be around 30. 30 bucks isn't bad, especially if you want to try something different from another country. It is in a jank-ass tin, as CDB would say. It's got a ding. It's got a ding. But it's okay. It's not rusting. It's doing well. Shore Shave. I'll see if I can find a Etsy shop. I think it's like Turn Timber by Bill or something. And Motherlode. Do y'all see? Like, it's just the ultimate floppy knot. I don't even know that you can get them anywhere anymore, because I don't think people like them. There's just like zero backbone. Like, I'm barely pushing. But it's super soft. Like, it's one of the softest brushes I've ever touched. But alright guys, I appreciate it. Hopefully y'all made it through this far. And like I said, sorry it's a filler episode, but it's still a great soap. And the splash, y'all know how I feel about the splash. But this soap is top notch. You don't see it all the time. And I do appreciate y'all making it through the semi-Noble Otter series, because I was like, man, I got a bunch of Noble Otter I haven't used. But alright guys, hope to catch y'all again tomorrow. And have a wonderful night.